Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl fix no more file missing or DLL file error during install. Follow these steps guys. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes and just minimize this page. And now open the setup folder. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select the OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And then select the next option and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and then select next. And now in here just need to select the install option. After the game installation done, you just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. And you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. Press Alt+8, select folder option and the game will be added to this list guys. And then just go back and turn on the real-time protection and select yes. And after turning on, just to close stuff here, uncheck these option guys, redirect and open the site and then select finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. If you already has the Visual C++ installed in your PC, then you will get this setup failure error. That is no problem guys. Just to close it and the games open up. Just launch the game. Select the allow option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And now you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.